kay Lola at sa Aldab Nation. Ito na siya, Alden Richard!
For all the times I felt you, I complain. You know how I like to cry. From all the lies I've repeated, those to blame, I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. It's right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know. Cause God gave me you. And all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. From every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free. And I truly believe than just how I feel. That I'm worth, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. Mga Dabbercats, kung napupunan niyo po, palagi ako nagpapasalamat. Pero tong kantang to, gusto ko munang ialay ito kay Meng. Meng, para sa ito. It's right before my eyes. Cause God gave me you. God gave me you. God give me you.
Thank you. Thank you, Alden.
Naramdaman ko yun, grabe.
Grabe ka naman, Alden. Ba't ka ganyan?
At saka ito
Pinapaiyak mo kaming lahat.
naka-text na ng mga taga-DOJ, nasan daw ang hustisya, umiyak pogi pa rin.